Cypress is an amazing tool, but let me ask you this. Were you ever in the situation where you had a structure like this? So you had 1, 2, 3, 4 tests, and you actually only want to run, I don't know, this test here or this test here, or you want to run the first one and the last one. Now, how would you do that? I mean, of course, you can, I don't know, comment out the whole code and then run the test, but that's not really helpful or not really nice to do. And this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this, how you can achieve in a quick and dirty way and in a nicer way. So first, the quick and dirty way. Since you have the structure of describe plus it blocks, in case you do not want to run a test, you can actually do an X before the test or before the it, and that will mean that test will not run. So if I save this and go into my Cypress test, you see all of my tests are skipped. So if I want to run this one, I just remove the X and now the test will run. But this is the quick and dirty way. To make it nicer, Cypress has some built-in commands. So let's just uncomment everything, or so remove the X, save it. So I said, okay, I want to run only one test. So I want to run only the last test here. So I go to the it block, to dot, and I have my IntelliSense on, and I say only. I save it. Then if we go back to Cypress, we see that we run only one test. Enter booking data not working. Enter booking data not working. So by doing this, you will only run this test. It is really good if you want to, like I said, debug one test, only run one test from your tests, and you want to do it quickly. Or there is another command to achieve this. So you can do, for example, it.skip, and it will run all the other tests except this one. And here we have it for test number 1, test number 2, and test number 3 were ran, and our last test wasn't. And if you want to, for example, skip this one as well, go back to Cypress, and we see 2 of them were skipped. And there you have it. This is how you can skip tests or run only a specific test in Cypress. As always, thank you for your patience and for your participation, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.